This is the Learn to Trade online show where experts talk about their trading journeys and help traders make more money unlocking the world of online Forex, crypto and indices traders. We tell it like you want to hear it. Unfiltered insights, no corners cut. Hi everyone, and welcome along to the Learn to Trade online show for today, Friday, as we continue to eliminate people in the big prize as we head towards the IFTA competition. We'll have a winner for that on Monday, and we will eliminate some people today and head towards a new challenge for that. Going to do a little summary of that. Then we'll go through the competition to see who's going to win see if our guest is going to win the $500 for the Beat the Experts competition. Ash will take us through that, and then we'll go through what needs to be done to qualify for the last two in the IFTA competition on Sunday. So on Monday, sorry. Welcome into the room, Paul P. Looks like your trade's got a long way to go, buddy. If you're going to beat us and take that $500, you have a fairly long way to go. We'll keep an eye on that as we run along today. Look, I'm going to start off today. If you're trying to win the IFTA prize, and you should all be trying to win the IFTA prize, it is a hugely valuable trading prize. So if you get a chance to win that, you should be trying to win that. I have a feeling that there's on the wrong page. I need to bring it back in here, don't I, to make it share properly. Let me try that again. Have you got it? You guys got that now, Ash?
Yep, got it now. Online trading profits, got it.
Cool, guys. So I am in the Learn to Trade online group. I've come down to this post, which is called Learn to Trade Online. Submit your answers below in the comment section. And to be alive in the IFTA competition, what you need to do is you need to have told us who you'd like to have listen to of the IFTA speakers. If you want to join this competition, I'll have James just post the link into this Facebook page so that you can join it. We've got Gabriel Singh who wants to listen to Patrick Pfister, I'm going to go with, which again, he gets mentioned a few times. Turnaround patterns on multiple time frames, that will be fascinating as well. Cecilia wants to listen to John Bollinger speak, the Bollinger Band experts. Chloe, another one with Patrick Pfister. Link out with Ron Williams on trading psychology. Another one for John Bollinger from John Trader, one of the UK guys. Peter Mitchell, another one with Patrick. James O wants to listen to Giovanni Trombetti, who's interested in the AI algorithms. Lots of great stuff. And then wants to listen to Daryl Guppy. I know for me and you, James, so I asked there'll be a few others that we're interested in. I'm pretty interested in a few of those guys. Bollinger, Ron Williams on psychology will be brilliant. I'll have a look at this Patrick Pfizer guy now, see what he's got to do. Patrick Pfister, is it? Really keen to listen to some of the guys that the team have pulled out here and picked out. What about you?
Yeah, I'm the same actually. I haven't looked at this the Patrick Pfizer or Pfister, sorry, guy, and I'd like to listen to that now, or at least go and sort of check it out. And if the winner is coming and it's the winner that wants to listen to that particular speaker, then we'll be there. I think it'd be a great place for us all to make some notes. I like the thought of looking at turnaround patterns. That's something that I do myself. So I've missed that one. I've missed his expert approach on that. So yeah, he looks good. Ron Williams definitely for me. John Bollinger definitely for me. So there's a few others as well, but it's full. It's going to be full.
You've got a guy doing turnaround patterns. You've got a guy doing psychology, and you've got a guy picking up reversal areas with Bollinger Bands. You can put together a profitable trading strategy just from those three guys, right? There'll be enough of that to understand how to get into a market and make some money. So going to be a big 3 days. I can't wait to jump in another aeroplane and fly to Jakarta and be there with you. Now, I want to remind people, if you want to win the prize, here's what you need to do. You need to find this here, and you need to like it. You need to find this here. You need to tell us which speaker you would like to watch in the IFTA competition. Now, I'm going to come back in a few minutes. I'm going to tell you the last thing you need to do to make the last two to come to our session on Monday and become one of the IFTA winners. Got to say, we got Paul P, but Jed in the room as well. Paul, I thought you might have been a starter for this. I know you're in that part of the world a lot anyway, so I thought you'd have been a real chance to be jumping into this one as well. Before we have a look at what
as well, mate. Just thinking about it, the AI I think would be a good one. I kind of brushed over that, but it is the kind of, potentially it's the future, isn't it? So to listen to, what somebody's got to say on that, front running that, an expert to say on that stuff. And I guess that's the thing about IFTA, experts in their field. We're kind of experts in a specific area, but it doesn't necessarily mean that we can't open up a little bit and find out some other areas. And that one's I think going to be a fascinating one, the AI one.
It's one of the things about being at IFTA last year, Ash. It surprised me. Sometimes I watch the first 10 or 15 minutes of a speaker and think, well, we'll see how it goes. And you always stay to the end. These guys are brilliant traders. They've got a lot of experience. And you just pick a little, it is like being on the minister pathway. You pick a little bit of gold from here, a little bit of gold from there, a little bit of gold from there. You
exactly.
put it all together, and all of a sudden, you're marching forward. Mate, if you're okay to take us through the trading competition, the Beat the Experts trading competition.
Sure thing.
Paul P won the competition. He's got a chance to win $500 if his trade wins. Let's go through that and talk about what we're doing with that on Monday, and then we'll come back and work out how to win the IFTA comp.
Yeah, so we are in 4 trades, as everybody knows, and this is how it's breaking down. So this top one is my one. So this one is Ash, and I am up by $65. We next have Simon, and Simon is down by 161. Then we have you, mate, at 211 currently, and this is Paul P. So Paul P, actually you're doing all right, mate. You're in profit by $4.68. I would suspect there's probably little chance that is now going to turn around and smash certainly where Paul is, because there's not really anything left. There's not really anything left to report. I do think that this looks pretty good as a pattern now. I think you got a nice little price here. Difficult to pick it on Monday, but you wouldn't mind this bar now, would you? Maybe sort of like traveling down a little bit. So good trade. I think a decent trade in the end. But I think it's going to be a tough call to actually win the competition. So we're looking at 1,000 on Monday, right, mate? You're bumping it up. Even if Paul P wins, even if you pull it out of the bag, and all of a sudden all the gold in the world is suddenly disappeared, and Paul P manages to kind of whack up a big winner, you're still going to raise it, and we're still going to give $1,000 on Monday to the Beat the Experts challenge.
Yeah, man, I thought we might put it to the vote on Monday as well. I reckon that maybe $1,000 is a good base. Maybe we'll just make $1,000 from now on. It's $1,000. If it gets hit, it comes back to $1,000. So it's always 4 figures. All you've got to do is be the first person to answer a question on Monday. Give us your trade and Beat the Experts. That's Simon Williams, Ash Bill, and myself. And you will win the prize and expect the prize is $1,000. Should remind you that you don't get the profits from your trade live, and you don't lose any money on your trade live. It's just for the prize that we are playing this game. Cool, Ash. So we'll get that on Monday. We'll find our first result, whether it is the experts. I understand in the sports bet at the moment we're 1-1. We had Simon had a win, and you had a very close draw, didn't you? You missed a few seconds, didn't you?
Oh, it was a huge punch in the gut for me. I was up, I was down. I was up, I was up. Right, my team won, but I had that one goal handicap. And they were winning right up until the last 2 minutes of the game by 2 clear goals, no problem at all. Man United got a freak free kick. They were schooled. Man United were played off the park for the whole match. But somehow Bayern Munich forgot how to defend, and it was a 4-3. It was a cracking game, I have to say. It was a brilliant game. So I've got to roll my sleeves up on Monday, mate, see if I can find a decent winner for next week.
Paul's saying we should give the winner to whoever pays the most swap on their trade. He's going to win that comfortably, isn't he? He gets the most swap. He's positive on swap on, isn't he?
Oh, nice. Yeah. Positive swap. Got you. Yeah, you're doing all right on that.
Yeah, he's doing okay. Look, let's swing back and talk about the. Thanks for that, Ash. Let's swing back and talk. Can you unshare?
Sure thing.
Look, let's swing back and talk about the IFTA competition. Ash, James has put the link to IFTA into the chat for you guys. Look, IFTA is something for people of all abilities who want to become better traders. It's an annual pilgrimage for me now. I go to IFTA each year, no matter where it is in the world. I imagine I'll be there next year. I'd like it to be in Asia again. But if you want to learn that, if you want to win that, we're going to cut it down to the last 2 people on Monday. We're going to do an elimination for the last 2 people on Monday. And how you get into those last 2 people is pretty simple, to be honest. You go to this page here. You come here and you write in it as a comment. You tell us why you think you should win. what it is why it is that you think you should win. And if on Monday you've liked the seasonal hot list, you've told us which IFTA speaker you want to hear from, and you've got the first or second amounts of likes to your comments, you will play off. Will be a final elimination to see who joins Ash and myself in Jakarta. Look, you can come to IFTA, you can go and have a beer, you can go and go shopping, whatever you want to do in Jakarta is up to you. If you want to come to IFTA, we'd love to have you come to IFTA with us. Catch us in the breaks and talk about the speakers and what we're getting out of being there. If you want to do that, you've got to come in here, you've got to write in here. I think I should win because I'm paying for the prize. You guys shouldn't put that, but you can put whatever you want to put for you guys. And if you can post in there why you think should win, get the most likes or the second most likes, then come on live on Monday and we'll do a final elimination at the end of the show on Monday to see who comes to Jakarta with Ash and myself. Ash, anything more for the show?
No, mate. Looking forward to Monday. Obviously, we've got the weekend to kind of get past, but looking forward to Monday, rolling up the sleeves and going again. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I think it's a fantastic show. Prizes given away, and all that stuff. I think I don't know. People have got to be enjoying it.
It's been brilliant, mate. I've checked that little $2,000 account more times than my account this week. I've been keeping an eye. It's been quite good fun to watch the different things. My Paul's trade went well into negative, then well into positive, and I thought, oh, here he comes. And it's just pulled back to break even. We'll wait and see what the weekend does bring on that.
Yeah, I mean that's up nearly. What's that? 5, 6? It's up 6.5%. The actual account. I mean, you wouldn't mind that over a week, would you?
No, it's doing okay. It's doing okay. Look, if you want to join us in IFTA, come to the Learn to Trade online Facebook page. James has posted the link. It'll be in all the social media. Look, you apply to come in. Give us your details. We must have your email to let you in. Once you're in, then like the seasonal hot list post. Tell us which IFTA speaker you'd like to hear in there, and then tell us why you should win and get the most of votes, and we will get you well on the way to Jakarta. 1 and 2 will play off on Monday. That's us, isn't it, Ash?
Yeah, I believe so. See you all Monday.
It's in New Zealand time. It's just before 10:15 at night on a Friday evening. I'm finished trading for the week. You guys should finish pretty soon. Take care. Look after your money. We'll be back to give you some more Learn to Trade online show on Monday at 6 p.m. See you then. That's a wrap for this episode of the Learn to Trade online show. Keep your charts up and your trade savvy. For more insights, subscribe and catch us next time. See you in the next episode. Stay calm and make good decisions. The Learn to Trade online show is presented for informational and entertainment purposes only. The information presented should not be construed as investment advice. Always consult a licensed professional before making investment decisions. The views and opinions expressed on the Learn to Trade online show are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect those of the show's hosts, guests and sponsors. The Learn to Trade online show, its producers, sponsors and hosts Paul Botterill, Simon Williams and Ash Bill shall not be liable for losses resulting from investment decisions based on information or viewpoints presented on the Learn to Trade online show.